Do you ever find yourself needing cash, but only have your Revolut card? Maybe you're traveling abroad and can't quite figure out the local ATM. It's a common scenario, but getting physical money out with your Revolut card is actually simple, whether you're at home or across the globe. Revolut is all about making your money work easily, and cash withdrawal is no exception. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few tips to keep in mind to make sure you get the best deal and avoid unexpected fees. First, the simple steps. Find any ATM that accepts Visa or MasterCard, which is virtually all of them. Insert your physical Revolut card and enter your 4-digit PIN. If you can't remember it, you can easily check your PIN in the security section of your Revolut app. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and collect your cash and card. That's it. Now for the pro tips. This is where you can save money, especially when traveling. The most important thing to watch out for is the dynamic currency conversion, or DCC. When you're using an ATM abroad, the machine might ask if you want to be charged in the local currency or your home currency. Always choose the local currency. If you choose your home currency, the ATM operator will use their own, often poor, exchange rate, which is the DCC fee. By selecting the local currency, Revolut handles the exchange at their excellent real-time rate. Next, be aware of limits and fees. Revolut offers a certain amount of free withdrawals each rolling month, which depends on your plan. You can check your remaining free limit in the Your Plan section of the app. Once you exceed that limit, a small Revolut fair usage fee kicks in. Also, be mindful that some ATM operators may charge their own small fee, known as a surcharge, which is completely separate from Revolut. Your Revolut app actually has a handy ATM locator that can help you find surcharge-free ATMs near you. So, to recap, find a Visa or MasterCard ATM, insert your card, enter your PIN, and most importantly, choose to be charged in the local currency. Stick to those steps, and you'll be able to access your money quickly and cost-effectively, wherever you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.